Hey guys, it is Mark Coe for Tuesday, 14th of November. Wanted to remind everybody we're having an open house Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. So it starts tomorrow, goes through the end of the week in our room. And I just want to give you an idea of some of the topics we're going to be covering. As many of you probably know, Bitcoin has been a very kind of hot news item, people talking about it. But the thing that makes it so exciting for us is they're going to now have a futures contract traded in Bitcoin, expected to be trading by the end of the year. So we're going to be prepared, prepped with a few strategies, a few ideas in Bitcoin with the short-term volatility that we experience, and why this is exciting for the short-term trader. Well, the reason it's exciting for the short-term trader in Bitcoin, and I'll give it to you like this. You look at instruments that a lot of us trade today, dollar yen, euro dollar, E-minis, maybe the bonds, maybe crude oil. And you just think about percentage moves. Now today is a breakout day in crude oil. You're actually seeing a 3% move, which equates to about a buck 70 of actual movement. Well, the difference is in Bitcoin, if you look at just percentages, right? Just go back to the end of October. So November 1st, you're seeing a move from 6,300 up to 75. So that's a 20% move in a matter of 3 or 4 days. A move from the highs, 7,800 down to 5,600. That's a 30% move off the highs in 3 days. Now, to some, this may not be their cup of tea. To others, you may look at it like an absolute gift in that you're actually going to be able to trade a vehicle that moves. So we're going to talk about that. Bitcoin's going to be a big topic of discussion for us. We're also going to cover some short-term strategies, some blow-through, tap-back to, and what that refers to is levels that have been established or that a market actually pushes through, and then the ability to buy or sell a tap back to that level. In euro dollar, just as an example, a blow through a level, tap back to that same level. And we're going to cover variations of that. So I want to make sure you guys join us. I want to give you plenty of time. It's 3 days long. It'll cover the morning session, and at the end of the morning session, we'll have some educational time. So it should be a good experience. We did this about a month ago. It went well. So any of you that have joined us and would like to come by again, we'd love to have you. And just remember, the idea is that we're going to talk about different time frames, different strategies, leave you with something, and also talk about what we envision kind of moving forward over this next year with this 50K challenge, right? The challenge that I'm doing for myself to put up 50,000 in P&L, right, where you get to see that live. And the exciting part is it's actually going to be a little better for anybody that comes aboard now, because I think we have about $2,000 to make up in P&L. So it's actually should be the 52K challenge, but nonetheless, it's the 50K challenge. So be sure to join us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right here live tomorrow in the Compass Room. And we'll talk to you then for Tuesday, 14th of November. It's Mark Coe. Cheers.